anytime we factor, we want to look for a greatest common factor, something we can divide out of all the terms. So let's do that here. 24, 4, 6, and 2. We can divide out a 2 from all those numbers, all the coefficients there. And then we have x in all four terms. Now whatever we divide out, however many x's we divide out, we have to do it to every term. So we can divide out 11 here, but only 10 here. So we couldn't divide out 11 x's from both of these. So the smallest, the fewest number of x's, the smallest exponent that we have with any term here is x to the 8th. So that's the most we can take out. So let me just, we have 2. We're obviously dividing out a 2, but we're going to also divide out x to the 8th. Okay, so now let's see what we get. 2 times what gives us 24? That's 12. Now we divided out 8 x's. We had 11 to start, so we have 3 left over. 2 times what gives us 4? That would be plus 2 here. And then we divide out 8 x's from 10 x's, so we get x to the second. Take negative 6 and divide by that 2, and you get negative 3. 9 x's here. Divide out 8 of them, so you have 1 left over. And then 2 here, divided by 2 is just 1. And then 8, and then x to the 8th, divide out x to the 8th is just 1. So we have to have something here, so we're going to put a plus 1. And if you check your work, you take this times this. This is when you add the exponents and multiply the coefficients. You would get that. Multiply this here. 2 times 2 is 4. And then x to the 8th and x to the second is x to the 10th. This times this. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. X to the 8th and x multiplied together is x to the 9th. And then 2x to the 8th times 1 is 2x to the 8th. So we have that term as well. So what we have now, we've checked our answer. We know it's right. This is our answer right here.